Hey everyone!
Hey everyone! We are so excited to be here, back at the HoJo Anaheim, one of our favorite places to stay when we go to Disneyland.
Yes, we're here at the lobby right now, but today we're showing you some awesome rooms over at the Economy Pavilions. It's going to be really fun.
Yeah, when you guys get here to Howard Johnson's to check in, where do you go to check in, Kara?
You go right here to the lobby, front desk.
It's at the very front. Across from the lobby is Building 1, and then out this way is the water park and all the rest of the buildings.
And the coolest thing about Building 1 is that there is the mid-mod market there, so if you ever need anything on your trip, head straight over.
So this is my favorite place to stay when we come to Disneyland because it's really only an 8-minute walk to Disney. It's so close.
Yeah, it's so fun to have such a bright campus. You have the pool and the water park, and there's just so much to do and explore here.
Honestly, this entire place is beautiful and one of my favorite places to stay.
Yeah, and it's only an 8-minute walk to Disney, so like it's really hot today because it's the summer.
Yes.
And so in the middle of the day, like after you've already rope dropped, but you still want to catch the fireworks, it's nice to recharge back at the hotel.
Yes, middle of the day, just kind of get out of the sun for a little bit, charge your phones.
Yes, definitely need a phone charge. One of my favorite parts about staying at this property is that you're on a campus. It's like a property, right? It's not a single hotel. So there's like an environment to walk around on. There's a water park and a pool and like a courtyard and an orange chair. There's so much.
The courtyard is gorgeous. I mean, literally, you do such a good job.
Yeah, so that's something I think is really cool when you stay here. But let's go check out Building 4 and see what kind of view it has.
All right, something that's awesome is that Building 4 is the closest building to the Castaway Cove water park. So,
right out and
yeah,
you're right to the water park.
it's literally right there. I think we're actually gonna have a view of the water park from our room. Let's go.
So if you're staying in buildings 3 through 6, if you're on the second floor, you do have to take some stairs.
Because there are no elevators in this building, so be sure to let the front desk know when you check in.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
6.
7, 8, 9. Oh my god.
All right, 14 stairs.
You beat me.
Good job.
But
Not too
yeah,
bad.
it's only 14 quick steps to get upstairs to the second floor, and that's where you have the skylights.
Yes, it's super awesome.
All right, guys, we just made it to room 4207.
All right.
I'm so excited
This
because
has a skylight. Hey,
wait.
look, it's there.
Oh my gosh, wait, it's Eric! Whoa!
Check it out.
Wow!
The bucket drop. This is like my favorite view of the water park ever. And whether or not you get this room, you can still come enjoy the water park. So be sure to stay at Howard Johnson's because you're gonna want to play in this water park. I mean, did you see the bucket?
My favorite part about the room is definitely the skylight. It's so much brighter and it makes the room feel so much bigger. It's literally beautiful. And the really cool thing is make sure you wake up on time in the morning because it kind of like gives you a nice bright start to your day and said, hey, the sun's out, time to play. The sky's awake, so I'm awake, you know. One of the things I love about this room is how much storage space there is. Like, you have this area here that's perfect for like putting your Disney merchandise or your suitcases. You can even put it under there. And they have drawers. If you come back here, they have this up top area here and this hanging rack.
Hey, look, I recognize that bag.
So yeah, it really works. The bathroom over here is super spacious. There's 2 sinks, 2 to make getting ready in the morning even faster.
I mean, 2 sinks and 2 mirrors. That makes it so easy. There is 1 shower, but 2 sinks and 2 mirrors is so great.
Oh yeah. And then of course we have over here a little mini kitchen area, a microwave, a coffee maker, as well as the Fixin's ice bucket.
And they sell things that you can put in the microwave in the gift shop. They got you all covered. Just check out the mid-mod market.
They also have more kinds of coffee there, I know. And there's a little fridge here that will store your goods from the mid-mod market.
And a couple awesome perks that it has when you stay. First off, this is an Amazon Alexa, and it's branded to Howard Johnson's Anaheim because you can actually ask Alexa for things and the front desk will bring it to you. It's so awesome. You can ask for towels, you can ask for maid service, anything you need that you would ask the front desk, you can just ask Alexa.
Now, if you guys are coming to Southern California and you want to level up your vacation, I really do recommend staying here at the Howard Johnson's Anaheim. These skylights are unmatched. Almost no other hotel has these, and so it really makes the room feel so much more open, brings so much light in, and the water park right outside, only an 8-minute walk to Disneyland. Your Southern California vacation cannot get better. You have to stay at this hotel.
You guys are gonna wanna book your stay as soon as possible. Now, I know there's no bad time to be near Disneyland, but it is summer right now, and it is just the best time to be in a water park.
Great weather, and the skylight is like, comes in real handy because it's bright out and it wakes you up in the morning.
These skylights are awesome. We're on the second floor, so we get these. It makes it so bright and just so open. Like, you'd have like a ceiling up there, and instead it's just so big and open. It's so much fun in these rooms.
So if there's anything that could make your stay better, be sure to let the front desk know, and they would be happy to help. They're amazing. And if you have a 5-star worthy trip, then leave a 5-star worthy review. Now, this room type is available in buildings 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. So this one is building 4, so it gets the water park view.
But not all the buildings get the same view.
Yes, check this out.
If you move over to a different building.
All right, welcome to building 6. This one has a view of the garden pool.
A brand new
awesome
view with the same awesome room.
Same skylights and everything. It's so great, and there's so many awesome rooms to stay in.
Yeah, so many.
Also, every single room has an internet TV with a Netflix button right there. You can watch all your favorite shows. So great for like recharging midday. It's a little hot right now, so like you do the rope drop morning stuff, and then you just get to hang out at your room and then go back for fireworks.
So even if you guys aren't just coming to Disneyland, Howard Johnson's is a great place to center your Southern California vacation.
Yes, you can go everywhere from here. You can go up to LA, down to San Diego, and there's so much to see right here in Orange County.
It's literally perfect.
Yes.
So if you guys are coming to Southern California, this is the place to stay.
Stay at HoJo. All right, see you guys.